Derivative of trigo, inverse trigo, and exponential function. Trigonometric. The process of calculating at the range which of trigonometric function in relation to the variable angle is known as the differentiation of a trigonometric function in trigonometry. The derivative of sine x and cosine x can be used to differentiate trigonometric function by utilizing the quotient rule. Here are the basic formulas of trigonometric function. d over dx sine u equals cosine u du over dx. d over dx cosine u equals negative sine u du over dx. d over dx tangent u is equals to secant squared u du over dx. d over dx cotangent u equals to negative cosecant squared u du over dx. d over dx secant u is equal to secant u tangent u du over dx. d over dx cosecant u is equal to negative cosecant u cotangent u du over dx. Here are the examples of trigonometric function. Differentiate y equals cosine x. y equals cosine x. Let your u is equal to x. Form cosine u. This is formula base. Based on the formula of cosine u, you will get the value of negative sine u du. Y prime is equal to negative sine x times 1 is equal to y prime times negative sine x. Inverse trigo. The inverse trigonometric function that use ratio of the triangle sides to calculate the right angle triangles angle measure is known as inverse trigonometric ratio. The superscript of negative 1 of the provided trigonometric function indicate the inverse of that function. d over dx times arcsine u is equal to 1 over the square root of 1 raised to u squared du over dx. Arc d over dx arc cosine u is equal to 1 over square root of 1 over u squared du over dx. d over dx times arctan u is equal to 1 over 1 plus u squared du over dx. d over dx times arc cotangent u is equal to negative 1 over 1 plus u squared du over dx. d over dx 7 secant u is equal to 1 over u square root of u squared minus 1. Arcsine u is equal to negative 1 over u square root of u squared minus 1 du over dx. Sample. Y is equal to sa arcsine 3x raised to 7. Let your u is equal to 3x raised to 7. Form arcsine u. Formula is 1 over square root of 1 raised to u squared du over dx. It will write as y prime is equal to 1 over square root of 1 times the derivative of 3x raised to 7 squared, which is your u, times the derivative of 3x raised to 7, which is 21x raised to 6. Then you will multiply the 21 raised to 6 to the numerator, and you will get the value of 21x raised to 6 over square root of 1 times the derivative times the 3x raised to 7 times 2, which is 21x raised to 6 over square root of 1 minus 9 times 14. Exponential function. The derivative of exponential function ex is the function itself, that is, if f of x is equal to ex, then f of x is equal to ex. Exponential function formulas: d equals dx times au is equal to au ln a du over dx. Eu is equal to eu du dx. ub equals bu minus b1 d over dx plus ub ln u db over dx. Example: differentiate y 12 minus x squared. Let your u be x squared. Form au. The formula is au ln a. Your a here is 12. It will write as 12x squared ln, the value of your a is 12, and the derivative of your u is 2x. You will get the value of 12x squared ln 12 times 2x.